Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn off GTA Plus Auto Renew on Xbox Series SX. Cancel subscription before next billing. So the method 1, through the Xbox console. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then select Profile and System. Your profile icon will appear. Select on your profile icon. Now open the settings. Then go to account and select subscription. Now choose GTA Plus from your list of active subscription. Then click on select manage and click turn off recurring billing. Method 2, via a web browser. So go to the Microsoft account service page and sign in. Then locate the GTA Plus under your list of active services. Now click manage next to the subscription and select turn off recurring billing and confirm your choice. Now the important things to remember: you can retain the benefit. Your perk stays active until the official end date. Then the timing. Cancel at least 24 hours before your billing cycle reset. So goodbye and thanks for watching.